Hi, my name is Maxim and thank you for visiting my page. In this video, I'd like to introduce myself, briefly talk about my experience, what can I help you with, and show you my approach to work. So I'm a media buyer in Meta and TikTok ads with more than 4 years of experience. I have worked with 100 plus projects in e-commerce and lead generation niches. So I have experience working with projects such as apparel brands, pet brands, accessories brands, a variety of lead generation projects from real estate to online education. I also have successful case studies working with SaaS projects and apps, so you can check them all in my portfolio. I also wanted to share with you some of my achievements in numbers. So over $2 million was effectively invested in advertising by my clients. The average ROI of my clients is 500%. I also have experience working with a large budgets, for example, 300K per month and more. And the last one, I have 6 months of average clients lifetime value. So right now I'm only working with e-commerce brands because it's interesting, infinitely scalable, and that's where I have the most of the experience. Also because I develop a tailored strategy that allows me to constantly scale brand without losing profitability. And that's why people keep working with me up to 2 years and more. So now I'd like to show you some of my current projects that I'm working with and share with you my achievements and results that we made. The other project that I wanted to show you, so this is also an e-commerce project. So this is the brand from US, and they selling a custom shoes, custom sneakers, and yeah, I'm showing you the website right now. So you can check their website, what models they have. So I already working with this project around 6 months right now. So I started to work with this project on September, and I also want to show you the results that I was able to achieve in this period. So the break-even ROAS for this project is 1.80 in ROAS. So yeah, as you can see, in the first month of our cooperation, I was able to achieve 3,000 purchases with the average ROAS of 3.10, which is, I think it's incredible results, because the break even at 1.8 and the target ROAS was 2.5. So I was able to over succeed this goal for the client, and client was super happy. Yeah, I can also show you the amount of spend that we had in September. So it's almost $103,000 that we spent only in a 1 month. So our average spend, during this month is something around 100K per month. So as you can see, in October we spent 18K per month, and the amount of purchases was like 2,000. And the ROAS was a little bit lower than in the previous month, because some of the creatives, they just burned out, some of the communications burned out, and we just need to find other solution for this project. As you can see, most of the campaigns that we were able to run, it was Advantage Plus campaigns, because they they perfectly suits for this type of project when you have a variety of models, variety of different shoes, and you want to show them, for your customers, and not only one model, but like some variety of models. Also, I want to show you the results for November. So almost 3x in ROAS, so 2.95, and 2,000 purchases with the amount spent of $83. So it's because of the drop in the results in October, we decided to a little bit lower, decrease the budget for a bit and keep working. Yeah, and as you can see, we received absolutely great results here. Yeah, also I want to show you the December of 2023. So this month was, absolute winner, because we were able to receive 2,200 purchases with the average ROAS of 4x. Yeah, and also it was because I really, structured model of working we were able to test the different concepts and offers, because we actually changed the offer from Black Friday sale to a New Year sale with the different models, with different categories. We try to test a different custom shoes, because they have a lot of categories here. For January we had 2,176 67 purchases and 2.26 in ROAS. So yeah, that's what we had. Also, we started to work not only with Advantage Plus, because Advantage Plus campaigns started to burn out, and we decided to start work with the broad campaigns, just dividing them by different countries or list of countries. So you can see we actually, like, this campaigns is currently working right now. So we divided our campaigns by a separate US region, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and UK as English speaking countries. Also, we'll be able to run top tier 2 and tier 3 countries, which is Asian countries and European countries separately. And this is the result that we have achieved like last month. So, and right now we're working on improving this dynamics, improving our results. So right now we have 2.87 in ROAS, and we already have 1,000 purchases for last 13 days. So I hope you enjoyed watching my case studies and the results that I get from them. My idea was to show you that I'm an expert not only in words but also in deeds. And last thing that I would like to discuss with you is my approach to work, my project strategy, and the services that I can provide. So first of all, I want to show you the audit and how I'm doing that, what recommendation I'm actually specifying for clients. So first of all, I'm doing like a conclusion with the current results that they achieved. What was the amount of spend for the whole time frame, what was the amount of purchases, what was the cost per purchase on their account. Then I'm going through the ad campaigns, through whole levels, from campaign level to ad level. I'm checking the campaign structure, checking the ad sets, what audiences client using, what type of communication, what creatives, what settings was on this campaigns, and in each on each stages, I'm actually specifying the individual recommendations for the ad campaigns that the client have right now. So even if we wouldn't start work together, client can check that and implement it in in own campaigns. So this is how it looks like in terms of the campaign audit. Then I'm usually checking the creatives, checking the copywriting, the UTM parameters, and etc. And in the end of it, I'm doing like conclusions and describing the growth points, and ideas and recommendations, like how we can improve this current campaigns, what we can change in terms of the strategy and testing. Also, I want to show you the strategy. This is the last piece, that I wanted to show you. So I'm dividing the audience by top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel, which means like a cold audience, warm audience, and hot audience. So what does it mean? So cold audience, it's people who never heard about our company, who never was on our website or never saw our social media. Middle of funnel audience, so this is the people who visited our website or social media, or maybe checked our video ad, but they never buy something, they never bought something, they never was on our checkout page, for example. And the bottom of funnel, so this is the people who actually bought some products, they bought some they bought maybe a couple of products, and the goal of the bottom of funnel is to attract these people again into the funnel and offer them some other products for upsales, because you need to constantly working with your data, with your audience that you have in your funnel. In this example of the strategy, I specified some of the specific some of the audiences that we can use for top of funnel. So this is the different interests that we can use. So health and wellness audience, parents, sport and fitness, nutrition with the interest like healthy habits, metabolism, natural food, and etc. I'm also specifying like the amount of countries that we would target on, the specific age. For example, here it's from 25 to 55. Yeah, and also we have like lookalike audience that we would use. Also, I'm attaching like I'm describing the way of the communication that we would use in our creatives, and offering different ideas for for our offers. In the middle of funnel, we have website visitors, Facebook and Instagram visitors, and people who watched our video ad, for example. So the main goal here is to bring people back to the funnel and motivate them to finish the purchase here. Yeah, and bottom of funnel, so this is the people who already bought something, yeah, who wasn't checkout, for example. So people who wasn't checkout is not the people who actually bought something, yeah, but they actually were nearly close to the purchase. And it's really important to try to make different communication for these people. The last thing that I wanted to share with you is the services that I can provide working with a project. So it's not only an ad account management, I can also provide a competitor analysis, develop a customized strategy for your business, create copy and creatives in cooperation with designers. So I'll personally create an assignment for them according to our strategy, and we will constantly test new hypotheses, new concepts, and scale the best of them. I can also advise you on how to improve your conversion rate, as well as writing scripts for UGC creators. And last, you'll have the daily, weekly, and monthly reports, and you'll be able to see the whole dynamics on your project. So if you like everything you saw here and want to discuss the project in more details, please write me a message or invite me to a project, and we will make it happen. Thanks for watching this video. All the best and see you soon.